guys, this is Eros and Light. And I'm sorry that I not do videos lately because I forgot and I have a lot of things to do. So here I gonna show
On the unstable SMP, the world's largest hardcore
Cheers
Minecraft
naman.
server, I was recently fortunate to have found not only had they
So
sent everyone tens of thousands
every day, about 3 days, I gonna do videos so I can teach you guys how to study later.
Imagine if every hour you spent
And
working
my
on your
brother
I'm losing a pig.
no. So this is my friend.
Yo, what's guys? We had
Hindi lang kapad.
I
So bye bye.